Shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Hi guys, it's ASBYT and welcome back to a brand new video. Now the next in the line for Samsung, the Galaxy Note 10 will be launched on August the 7th. As always, each year the Samsung Note line is usually the kind of pinnacle of the Android smart world. Smart world? Smartphone world. Great displays, incredible specs, and usually a price to boot. We're expecting exactly the same again this year, so in this video I'm going to be going through 15 of pretty much the final leaks and rumours about the device we're due to expect. So if you're excited for some Note 10 action, let's get straight to it. If you're new to the channel and love everything tech, news, unboxings, reviews, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and ding that notification bell so that every time I post a video you are notified and can stay up to date with all of the latest tech. I am actually due to be travelling to New York for the live launch, getting some hands-on action with the device and of course future unboxings, reviews, camera comparisons, etc. videos from there. Of course, if you want to see those videos, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, ding that notification bell, and then when I post those videos you will be notified. Right, so starting with number one. There's going to be two variants, the standard and the Pro or the Plus. We'll start with the standard and we'll work our way on to the, I'm going to call it the Pro model, it could be Plus. So in terms of design, we've got a pretty much bezel-less display, shrunken bezels from the Note 9 and the punch hole cut out in the center and not on the side that we saw with the S10 and S10 Plus. Now it is a single punch hole cutout on the regular. That AMOLED display will be 6.3 inches and will support 60 Hz refresh rate. So not the 90 that we've seen on the OnePlus 7 Pro, not the 120 that we've seen on the Asus ROG Phone 2. And that's an interesting choice from Samsung because they've always pretty much been known for having the best displays. You'd think they would have upped their refresh rate. I may be wrong, but that's what we hear. Triple camera setup on the back with just the Samsung branding beneath it. So we've got the Snapdragon 855 Plus, designed by Qualcomm for the mobile gamers. Not a massive difference from the standard 855, pretty much just enhanced GPU performance up to around 15% faster. That is of course if you're from the United States, for example. If you're from the EU, you're going to get the Exynos 9825. And it pains me every time to know that that's probably the one I'm going to get. I just want the Snapdragon version. In terms of storage, maximum of 256 gigabytes and apparently no micro SD card expansion on the regular model. Also, finally, Samsung have decided no headphone jack, but it does come with wireless charging and power share. And that's a helicopter. That's Samsung just coming to pick me up, ready to go to the launch. Wicked? It's not. It's apparently going to have a 3600 mAh battery capacity. Meh? A possible 45 watts fast charging, but it only will come with a 25 watt charger in the box. Not quite as savage as what Apple did last year with the iPhone, but it's on those tender hooks. That's not the term. Move on, shall we? Now we're going to jump onto the Pro/Plus model, and it's a behemoth of a phone, 6.8 inches. It might be a little bit big for some people, but then the Note line has always pretty much supported big devices. This display will be again 60 Hz refresh rate from what we hear. And that display appears from hands-on leaks to have a dual camera setup on the front, again similar to what we saw with the S10 Plus, but again in the middle. We've got a pretty similar camera arrangement on the back, but we also have a depth sensing lens by the looks of things as well, in addition to what we have on the standard Note 10. Again, 8 gigabytes of RAM. We will probably see special editions which you'll get 10 and 12 gigabytes, for example, like we saw with the S10 with the ceramic versions. And it will come with 256 gigabytes of storage again, but this time in the Plus model it will be expandable. A 4300 mAh battery capacity, so that's going to be nice to see. Again, it will perform better on the Snapdragon variant than the Exynos if the S10 is anything to go by. And that is pretty much it. I think that was 15. I just said 15 at the start of the video. I've not even counted them. We'll go with 15. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Galaxy Note 10. And like I said, I'm due to go to the launch in New York, so hopefully I'll have lots of wicked, I've not said wicked in years, some great videos for you coming in the near future regarding the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Let me know in the comments also what you want to see in terms of videos, of course. Now on to today's video sponsor, Squarespace. They give you a really powerful online platform for you to create your own website. You can choose from absolutely tons of designer and award-winning templates, so you don't have to go through the painstaking task of creating your own website from the ground up. And one great thing about these templates is that they're made with modern browser and mobile apps in mind. One particularly great feature that I like is that Squarespace actually allows you to link your various social media accounts to your website so that you can post simultaneously to all accounts and you don't have to do each one individually. That frees up so much time. Also, you can use their mobile app, which means managing your blogs and your comments, etc. is really easy. There is a completely free trial with no credit cards required, and if you like what you see, there's also a 10% discount code in the video description below, squarespace.com/ASBYT, free trial and a 10% off your first purchase. All in all, if you're looking for a website builder, then Squarespace is a fantastic option. Like and share if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you're new. I love you, leave you. I'll see you in the next one. It's ASBYT, peace out.